Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to remove someone from Snapchat group chat. Okay, this action may be harsh, but be sure if you do this, you have the valid reason. Okay, so just open your Snapchat application and then click on the chat icon at the bottom corner of your screen and then choose a group chat. For example, this one, this group chat named meeting. Okay, and then now just tap on the profile picture at the top left corner of your screen in order to see the members of this group chat. Okay, now as you can see, there are 3 people here, including you. Now, in order to remove someone, just press and hold their name, and then you'll be able to see this option, which is the remove from the group. So when you click that one, that specific person will be kicked out or removed from your group chat. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can remove someone from a group chat on Snapchat. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.